Hello and welcome to VGK Project. In this session we will take a look at how to create a new project and how to enter its basic information. To open the project, click on the project node and it will lead you to the search screen. Since we're creating a new project, we don't need to use the search facilities and we'll go straight to Create New Project. The project screen appears and it's ready for us to enter our information. Note that some fields are marked with a bright background colour, which indicates mandatory information. Let's start entering our data. We'll enter the name of the client, for example, the Hall family, and the project type. Depending on your business, you'll already have various project types available that you will already have populated prior to this point. Choose your type, for example, bungalow. Now for the project code. The project code is the unique name of the project that is used to identify it within the program and within your company. Your company might set various guidelines for creating the project code. For example, it could be a combination of the project type and the client code combined with some additional numbers. The project name is a descriptive name that's used for all official documents and by the client to identify the project. The billing types are predefined when the program is delivered, and you can choose one of the available types. Let's say we've agreed on a fixed price. So now we have entered all the required project information. You can enter more information such as the branch of the company, the region, as well as other identification information. But it looks like we've entered all the mandatory information and we can proceed to save the project. Keep in mind that there was no validation process when we entered our information. All validations will be done when you save the information. When validating, the program checks that all the information is complete and valid. If any problems are identified, they'll be reported in this validation window. Here you can see the list of problems, and one problem is critical, the one in red. It cannot be ignored. The others have been given a low severity, and they can be ignored or deferred until later. The critical issue here is that there's some missing information about the project manager. Note that although the project manager was not marked as mandatory, we need to specify it anyway. The project manager is part of the company resources that is assigned to the project, which is managed through this section. To add a project manager, let's just initiate a new entry. Select your assigned project manager and give them the project manager role. To finalise, just click on the Add button. So now we have entered the additional required information and the critical issues have been resolved. Let's take a brief look at what we have on the screen right now. As well as all the mandatory information for the project, we also have one historical entry. And this indicates for us when the project was initiated. We also have our first revision that was automatically created for us by the program. At this point we can go to save the project again. And it's been saved. Let's now close this screen and see what the project search screen looks like. Note that our new project has already appeared in the list of projects. This completes our topic of how to create a new project. In the next session, we will show you how to edit your project and how to add project details. Thank you for choosing VGK Project. You can learn more about our products at vgksolutions.com.